let's play this Phoenix Bird. Here's the majors. This is $1. Let's do $5 bets. Do it. Oh. So you need 3 of these to get the free games. Oh my God, it was right there. Let's do a few $10 bets. $11. One more. I'm in it. Hey guys, we're in it for 10 cents. Come on, drop the major, why don't you? Save it. These are all small numbers, but that's fine. We need a mini. Come on, mini. Come on, drop a mini. Mini. Last one. That's it. Got faster. $65. Yeah, that's not bad. $62. Oh, look at the mini. We need that mini. Mini keeps coming out, guys. All right, let's go to 50 lines. That's $5 bets. One more. There you go. We're in it. $5 bets. We got the free games. Some of the games are kind of wacky, so I don't know. Sometimes they don't do much. Let's see what we got. Come on. $10. Come on, do better. We're in it, guys. We're in it. Alright, come on. This is 10 cents, $5 bets. Let's see. We need a minor. Minor is $50, $500. Come on, save it. Oh, we got it. We got it for $500, guys. $500. Come on, save it, thank you. We got it, $500. Come on, save it. Oh, the major was going by. Oh my God, major was going by. Last one, save it. We got the minor. Come faster. $500. still got games, I think. Yeah, we got. Do it again. All right, that's not bad. Do it again. All right, just for shits and giggles, let's go to $1, and then that's $10 bets. Come on, 2 more. Alright, shits and giggles. Let's go to $2. It's $10 right here. But it's only 5 lines. We'll do one more. Alright guys, let's go to 10 lines, $20 bets. Just 2 of them. Let's do 3. 1, 2. Look at the balls. They're big balls. Last one. Save it. Do it. We only did one more. Alright, let's go back. Calm down, Tito. Alright, let's go to 5 lines, 50 lines, $10, $5 bets. Remember, these things can go off anytime. Let's see where they're at. 25 cents. $3.75. This is good. $15 good. Let's go to 25 lines, $6.25. So do it. Oh, come on. Come on, one more. Oh. Alright, let's see what we're gonna do now. We're in it, guys. We're in it again. We're in it again. This is $1, $5. Look at the progressives up here. Save it. Thank you. Save it. Please save it. Uh-oh. Last spin. Save it. No. Neighbor over here, he got 3 minis right there. Each mini is $175. That is not bad. 3 minis. Each mini is $175. Let's see how they counts it. Alright, let's go. One, 2, 3. Oh my god, that's beautiful. Let's go to $2, 10 cents, $10. Do it. Oh. Let's go back to $1. Let's do 10 lines, $10. Oh my god. What the heck was that? Oh my god, what the hell? One last spin at $10. One more. All right, $1 is not doing. Let's go back to $5. Ah. It's not doing much. Let's go back to 10 cents. 250. Let's go to 50 lines, $5. Do it. We're probably gonna play it down to 900 and get out of this because this machines are good, but they're hit and miss. Oh, sorry. Do it, do it. Let's go back to $1 denom. It's $5. It's only 5 lines though at $5. Two more. Come on, come on. So we started with 700. We're up to 900. So we're still up. I think this one takes time to pay because look at the miner and everything up there. Let's do a few $10 here. Do it. Last one. $2, $10. Save it. Come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Oh. $500. Oh my God. We'll play down to 700 and that's it. Play down only to $700, sorry. 1000. What the heck was that? One more. Oh my God, it was right there. Oh no. Last one. Alright, let's just play down to 600. We started with 7, so we're down a little bit, even though we got that minor. Let's do a few 3. Look at that ball. Oh my God. Two more. This machine is getting dunzos here. Good. Two more. I think it doesn't give me the balls because I'm calling out for the wrong balls. Alright, I'm gonna get out of this machine.